What is the #1 problem with HVAC systems? If your AC suddenly stops keeping up with the Texas heat, you might think something major broke. But in most Pflugerville homes, the #1 HVAC problem is much simpler and cheaper than you think. It's a dirty air filter. That $5 part causes more breakdowns, higher bills, and comfort issues than almost anything else. When your filter clogs up, airflow drops, your system struggles to breathe, and it starts working overtime just to keep you cool. That extra strain can freeze coils, wear out motors, and send your energy costs through the roof. Here in Pflugerville, dust, pollen, and pet hair clog filters fast. Change yours every 1 to 3 months or monthly if you've got pets or allergies. Keep your outdoor unit clear of leaves and grass, and check your thermostat batteries at least once a year. A little maintenance goes a long way in Texas heat. Don't wait until your AC quits in the middle of July. Schedule your AC service today with Altruistic AC Heating and Plumbing, the trusted HVAC experts serving Pflugerville and surrounding Central Texas.